Hey, what's up YouTube? This is TeamVirtrue right here. We have a bunch of Magic packs to open, because some of us play Magic. We thought, maybe we could do a pack opening. So we have a Return to Ravnica and a couple of M13 packs. So try to make this a bit fast. Oh, nice. So we got our Mythic Rare. Nice. So yeah, a lot of us just got into this game. We're just starting it up, but we're getting there. So. Honestly, I don't know all the all the stuff in here, so I don't really know what's good yet. I'll go read them out later, but alright, and the last Return to Ravnica. Alright, and now for the M13. Alright. Kind of want a Planeswalker because it's a freaking Planeswalker.